Hey YouTube. So I wanted to try something out today. I had this idea of making coding videos for like real beginners or maybe even kids, right? I had this idea of making maybe a course that is geared more like towards real like beginners, kids, like ages 10 and up or something. Um, I actually work at a coding school as a part time. That's what I do with the rest of my time when I'm not at my full time job or spending time with my kids. I work at a coding school where I actually already teach kids to code. So I thought, hey, I could probably reach a bigger audience or a wider audience using the internet, using YouTube. So I was thinking about doing something like that. But I just kind of wanted to give it a test, like give it a test drive, just a quick pilot and see how it goes, right? So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Because I really think that there's a lot of people out there that even though they would watch other videos, like they're not spending enough time explaining the code like really thoroughly to make sure it really clicks. They kind of just go through it a little bit too fast. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I was like, you know what, I'm not sure if I should, but I have a YouTube channel, so why not just ask the people? So definitely comment back, let me know. I'm actually going to make the first video right after this video and post it up and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys.